sight, mutual sound, mutual struggle for shared ground.
It's safe to say those words take from me.
I'm just another one for them to break down. Steeped in denial of the daily grind. Dream of a world for me and my kind.
It's safe and they alter their reality.
So stick your standards where the sun doesn't shine. Live for themselves, it doesn't matter what they say. Promise the world to take it from you anyway. They'll break you down, making your vision fade away. It's time to go, get out of my space.
Welcome to a world where the air I breathe is mine. Nothing too overwhelming and nothing to grab my mind. Be anyone, do anything I'd ever wanna try. Time doesn't exist here, I will never die. My own little world, my own little world.
Explain the reasons, explain the rhymes. It's not required inside our minds.